Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do exterior caulking around windows and doors. The first step is to choose a very good caulking to use on the exterior of your home. I'm going to be using a product by DAP that is rated for windows and doors and exterior use. It is a siliconized latex caulking, which means that it's very durable, stays flexible, and it's easy to tool. I'll get into that a little bit later on. You want to go ahead and take that caulk tube and load it into a very good, high-quality caulking gun. The tool does matter. On this particular tool, it has an accessory to allow you to cut the end of the caulk tube, and then it has a piercer that you need to use to pierce the inside of the caulk tube before you place it into the gun. Once it's in there, you want to pull the trigger a few times to get the caulk to the end of the tip. Once it's there, wipe it away with a damp rag and you're ready to start your caulking. Now keep in mind that you want to make sure that the gap is no larger than 3/8 of an inch, and you want to gently squeeze the handle while you're pulling the tool in a downward or upward motion. Now if you're really good, you might just get away with using the caulk gun itself to make a nice bead, but if you notice that it's a little bit bumpy and you don't like the way it looks, you can use your finger to tool the caulking smooth. Remember, this is latex based, so having a damp rag near you to wipe your finger and any that you may spill onto the side of the trim will be useful. And if you get in trouble, wipe it all away and start again. While it's wet, you have the ability to do that. Once you're happy with the finished product, just make certain that it isn't going to rain overnight so that the caulking can dry. And you do want to pay attention to the temperature when you apply the caulking. It needs to be typically above 50 degrees for the best adhesion. Motivated to keep going because your caulking skills have improved? Coming up next, my video on how to caulk a bathtub.